big fish. A big fish. Oh my God. Oh my God. This motherfucker here might weigh 10 pounds. I'm talking about a goddamn big fish. Do not come off. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh, I'm hung up in my fucking trolling motor thing. Oh God. Oh God. Come here. God almighty, what a fish. Oh, I was twisted in my trolling motor controller. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. If that ain't over 10 pounds, I will kiss somebody's ass. That is a freaking monster. That might go 11. That is a giant. That is a fucking giant. Holy smokes, that's a fish. Are you kidding me? And I ain't got a scale. Holy cow. Holy cow. That is a monster. I'll retie on that one, boys and girls. It's cold.